Welcome everyone. This is the question number 5. Set kth bit in bit magic. Have a quick look at the question and we'll be discussing the approach. Now coming to the approach, first we have to know what does question mean in this, okay? So in this question we got value 10 here and k equal to 2. So this value 10 you have to convert it into a binary format which will become 1 0 and 1 0, and we will use bin operator here. We use bin operator. By using this bin operator, we can convert a decimal number to a binary format. In this case 10 is a value. Now this will convert it to the 1010, but it will also add 0 and b extra at the front side, and we will remove this thing inside the code. Okay, after using this we obtain this 0b 1010 value, and we'll remove the 0b, and this store again is in another variable. So now in this question, what it is saying is, when we get the binary value, okay, after removing the value left is 1010, in this binary value he is saying that k equal to 2, which is the second bit from the last, okay, which is this one, right? This should be the second one. This is the second position from the right side. Okay, this is the second bit, but according to the question in example as given, they don't mean exactly the second position. They mean the second index from the right side, okay, which is 0 in this case here. This one is the second. This is a 0 index. This is a 1 index, and this second index according to the question. Okay, so this is 2 0, and whenever the k equal to whatever value is given, that particular index value will change to 1. If it is already 0, then it will be changed to 1. Even if it is 1, it will again be replaced with 1 only. So in this case we get 1100 value. Now we have to return this into the decimal format again. Now how will we return this in a decimal format? We have to use int operator here. In an int, it can convert any base value to a decimal format. For that there is a method. Just write int. In bracket there will be two parameters. First parameter will be string. Okay, let us name it as s, and another parameter will be the base that you want to convert it from. Like this is a base 2 value, right? Now we have to give the value of base here. So with this, the int operator will know this is a binary number, and it will convert automatically to the decimal format. After converting it to the decimal format, we get 14 value now. Okay, this s is string here. Okay, in this string, this data will be stored in the string format, and this is the logic behind the question. There will be the change of bit, whatever the index number k will be, that will be changed. And remember, the index position should be counted from the right to the left side. Right to left side only we count in bit magic. Okay, right side to left we will count the index. In this case k equal to 2, this is the second index. If suppose k equal to 3 here, then 1 will be the, this left side 1 will be the answer, which will be the third index. In that case, this 1 will be replaced again with 1, and 1010 will be there, so there will be no change. It will be again 10 only. Okay, now I hope you have understood the example. If you didn't understand, just replay the video again. Now let's go to the coding part, and I hope your confusion will be cleared with the coding part. Let's get into it now. Now we are inside the coding part. As I have mentioned, we are using the bin operator here. We got the bin operator, then we have converted into the binary format from decimal. After converting into the binary format, now we have to convert it into a string. Okay, we don't need a value, we need a string format, so it will be easier for us while using loops or slicing. I recommend every time converting to string. So after converting to string, we then list will convert into a list. After that, I have told 0b values are added extra as part of bin operator here. So we are removing those 0b values by using slice operator. Starting two values will be removed. The remaining will be stored, and that will be our binary value of the decimal number n here. Okay. Now the position value, right? With this method, length equal to n, right? Okay, let's take this 10 example, this left side example only. Now this is a variable 10 and this 2 here, right? Now length of n. Okay, length of n means the binary value of n. Okay, not this 10. The binary value of 10, which is 4. Length is 4 of that. Okay, 4 minus 2 is 2. 2 minus 1, we got 1. Okay, we got one answer, and that is the 1. Okay, position will be 1 now here. And in that 1 means 0 and 1 index. That will be from left to side, that will be 1. And for that, we use this length minus k minus 1 to count it from the left side instead of the right as mentioned. So by using this formula, we get the value from the left side position. After getting that position, now we are replacing. If it is 0, it will be replaced by 1. Even if it is 1, it will be again replaced by 1. After replacing, now we are joining the string here. We are joining the string inside the int. After joining string, we have given the base value to, and now this will convert it into a decimal format. Let's compile the code and you can see the value. Now as you can see, the output is 14 and this is the desired output. I hope everyone has understood. If you like the video, please share and subscribe. If we have any extra email IDs, please do subscribe with those, and it will be very helpful for the growth of this channel. And thank you for watching. Let's meet in the next question.